What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today we have a very exciting market update. The market is very exciting itself. Bitcoin sitting above $60,000. I'm going to tell you if you're too late or, if we're going even higher, right? We're going to talk about, is this the actual beginning of the bull market? And we're also going to talk about XRP's price action, HBAR. I'm going to show you where the money is flowing right now. And we're going to talk about a lot of stuff because this is crazy times, folks. And I'm going to give you a lot of tips on how to survive this, and not just survive, but actually thrive in this market. So drop a like. If we hit 777 likes on today's video, I will do a 100 XRP giveaway in the Gold Squad Discord. So last video, we smashed the like goal, folks. So go check out that Discord, free Discord, Gold Squad Discord, the number one place to discuss the bull market. Megan and I are in here 24/7 right now. It's getting crazy active in there. Join in. Okay. Let's first talk about the freaking market, dude. Oh, I got diamonds to collect. on CoinMarketCap. 2.29 trillion on the total market cap. I felt it was only right that we did an update on my thoughts on the total crypto market cap. This looks amazing to me. I really love this chart and how this looks. As you can see over here, back in February of 2022, we were battling where we just shot through. Okay, this is what you want to see, right? You want to see the chart just blast through previous resistance levels. So this box right here that you see on my screen, this was the previous resistance level, right? We had a lot of fighting going on in that area. But you can see 2024, we're coming with a new energy. We blasted straight through that, okay? So this has been pretty good. And, in January, we bounced off the 1.5 trillion, which was great. That's our new support there on the extreme low end. Like if we dump to 1.5 trillion, people are going to literally start, they'll think this market is over with, but it is far from over with. So 2.25 trillion. BTC is up at 62,000. Okay, now this is super early, folks. If we go and look at the halving calendar right here, so we got 51 days still until the halving, where the block reward goes from 6.25 to 3.125 Bitcoin per block. That means the miners that are mining Bitcoin, the block reward for them mining an entire block, it halves, right? And this is the halving. Usually we pump leading up to the halving and well after the halving, okay? This right here is pretty early for that. I will admit, this feels a bit early, but we've never had ETFs before. We've never seen the environment we have right now. It is a different environment. We have spot Bitcoin ETFs that we need to really pay attention to, right? So this is huge. You guys can see patience indicator. I mean, if you got in on this entry right there, dude, you made a ton. This one down here didn't go as well, but you still hit the first take profit level. So that's still a lot of profit you would have made. Yeah, but Bitcoin, I'm feeling good. I might even play some longs from 62K because I'm a straight up degen. Now we do have the monthly close coming up. Okay, the monthly close is coming. So will this monstrous 46% candle right now on the month, will that close how it is, right? I expect massive volatility going into the end of this candle. If you guys want to know when the candle ends for monthly, go down there to the bottom right of your trading view, right? And if you guys don't have trading view, what are you doing? This is the greatest trading platform, trading charts platform of all time. I got my trading view link in the description if you want a discount on the premium plan, or you can just get the free one. 9 hours. You can see the time zone, right? If yours is on UTC, Mine's on UTC Vancouver. Okay, so UTC, actually we're at 17. So make sure you're on UTC. Okay, so turn your clock right there to UTC. Once this hits 24, we're getting the monthly close. So right in about, what is that? 7 hours. 7 hours, we'll get the monthly close. Now, there's going to be massive volatility at the end of that, in my opinion. Now, before we get into showing you where the money is flowing right now, and then we're going to talk about XRP, HBAR, some of the utility coins, and some of the meme coins that I'm actually looking at. Let's talk about the special deal that we have on for the bull market for patience. So we actually are running a promotion of 50% off for your first 3 months of patience indicators. So if you don't know what patience is, go to patience.io. We have built a full-on trading indicator suite for you guys to use, and it's a private trading community. Inner circle, trading only, no discussion about anything else. It's about trading and making money trading. This is our special offer. All you got to do is sign up with our partnered exchanges and deposit into 2 of the exchanges. And boom, we're going to give you a code for 50% off your first 3 months. That's a big discount. And you just show proof by joining the Discord, opening a ticket. Let's get into the money flow, folks. Solana. You guys need to be watching Solana, okay? Actually, let's look first at the biggest gainers because we have Bonk. We have Solana, we got Shiba Inu, we got Dogecoin. These coins, when I woke up this morning, were doing very, very well. It was actually Bonk, Shiba, and Doge as the top 3 biggest gainers. Now, I have relinquished my vicious conviction around utility tokens. For this bull run, I honestly don't care what's going up. Okay, I care that you guys are making money and that I'm making money on these coins, right? That's what we care about. So if I've got to dump some money into something like Bonk, bro, I've just got to do it. It's absolute garbage. It's not a world-changing project at all in the slightest. It's going to do nothing for the world. But right now, retail investors, which means that the sheeps, right, that just follow the trends and buy whatever's going up, those people are buying these type of coins, right? Like Shiba, Doge, and those type of coins. So, just relinquish any negatives you have against them. That's what I'm doing. And I'm game to make money off anything in this bull market. We're trying to make money off anything, okay? You really, really have to just be open to trading something like Shiba, right? Because people are making money on Shiba. And we're sitting here holding XRP, that's up 0.38%. Nah, XRP is actually doing good. We're going to talk about that in a second. But the point here is to relinquish your thoughts on meme coins because these can be doing good. Look at Pepe retracing right there as the money rotates from Pepe into the dog coins. It's crazy what's going on. But if we look at the money flow, okay, here's the net flows. So within the last 1 day, so 24 hours, we have 1.9 billion inflow on Solana and 1.8 billion outflow. So there's a net flow of $147 million. So you can actually see here what is getting the most actual inflow minus the outflow. Because if we just look at inflow, well, how much of that money actually got rotated out? So right now we got Solana, we got ETH, Doge, Bonk, Injective, Render. So these are some coins you should be looking at. LTC, Litecoin, right? Some of these higher inflows, you got to look at these coins because people may know something that we do not, okay? Now, Fear and Greed Index, we're at 80, which is very, very high on the greed index. You guys can go down here to the actual chart. And if we go to max, we have not been here since 2021. We have not been here. Also, Bitcoin has not been this high since 2021, okay? Which is super crazy. Super crazy. Or sorry, 2022. What am I talking about? Actually, hold on. So let me verify something here. Yeah, 2021. Yeah, we haven't been there since the 2021 69K. So we may be a few days away from a new all-time high. Now let's cover the Coinbase situation for a second. So we love Coinbase on this channel. They have sponsored a lot of videos on the channel. However, I am disappointed that they went offline. Literally, our Discord lit up. It was like 10 different people saying, dude, my Coinbase balance shows 0. My Coinbase balance shows 0. Is Coinbase down? And yes, they actually went down. And some users were seeing a 0 balance. What the heck are you doing, Coinbase? It's 2024. They've literally had 4 years to beef up their servers to handle the traffic. Like, this is a bad reputation that they're giving crypto. And that reputation is that whenever we start pumping, all the exchanges go offline and get horrible, right? We've got to destroy that. Why aren't the servers maxed out? Why are they not maxed out, okay? Or why don't they scale with the amount of users? Like, y'all got billions of dollars. Just put it on a dynamic scale. So the more traffic, you up the... I don't know. It's weird. But that did happen. And if we zoom in on the Bitcoin chart, so here's the 1 hour Bitcoin chart, right? You can see this massive indecisive candle right here. You can see we went up to $64,000, and within the same hour we went to 58,000. And then we ended up being at 61, dipped back down below 60K again, and now we've been up, okay, above 60K. So that did affect the price. A lot of people got liquidated from that candle caused by Coinbase's outage. This market is vicious. It's getting vicious. It's more manipulated and controlled than ever before, in my opinion. And they will slaughter you if you're trying to get greedy. Do not become desperate just because you see coins going up. Dude, everybody and their mom is going to be messaging you. Is it still time to buy? Is it still time to buy? That's who you don't want to be. That's why throughout this entire bear market, I've been tweeting every day. I've been YouTubing as much as possible with the new busy schedules we got. I've been TikToking, in Discord 24/7 every single day, Telegramming, Instagramming. That's why throughout this whole thing, we've been active making content, because when nobody cares is when you want to get in, right? When nobody cares was all over here, right? Like 2023 was terrible, just flat movement compared to where we're at now. And then as soon as Bitcoin starts going up, people start caring, right? People start caring. But we've been here through the whole bear market, grinding it out. So you want to be the guy that invested when no one was caring. Now you put yourself in a horrible position because everyone is starting to care. But I will say, you are still early. I believe Bitcoin can easily get to 100,000. We are literally a couple percent. Like, how much percent away are we? Ready? Here we go. Current price to all-time high. We are literally 13% away from all-time high. That means tomorrow when you wake up, the next day when you wake up, or today when you go to sleep, Bitcoin could make a new all-time high. That's absurd. It happens fast. I'm telling you, this is why we've been prepping, dude. You got to be more passionate about prepping for this than a doomsday prepper, right? This is the real thing that's going to make you money here, is crypto and being in the crypto ecosystem. Now let's talk about HBAR, and then we'll go into XRP. So HBAR is lagging behind a little bit. The pump is not as strong here. We've got lots of wicks happening, right? Lots of selling actually going on at 11 cents. Now I believe HBAR can easily smash 20 cents, 25. It's going to be hilarious. All the haters are going to be, saying it's fake. I'm joking. That's an old meme. All the haters are going to be silenced. Zip their mouth, right? When we were telling you to buy at 4, to buy at 3, sitting in these flat periods saying, dude, this is accumulation, right? It's clear to see. It's clear to see accumulation periods. That's down here. Anywhere in here is accumulation. Even if you bought at 7 cents, you're still up. as for the people who bought way up here, because I don't forget about the guys that bought way up here too, right? Because this is what no influencer talks about, really, is the people who bought at the previous all-time highs. Because there was buy volume happening up here. Like, people bought HBAR at 30 cents. And that sucks. It really does suck, right? If you're stuck with an HBAR bag of 30 cents or 40 cents, it does suck. But you've got one of two options. Number one, cut your losses and start getting affiliated with coins that are moving right now. Try to make your money back. Number two is just hold out. Hold out and just wait, okay? Because it's going to be a long journey. Now, HBAR actually got a new council member the other day. Didn't do much to the price. But BitGo, which is the leading digital asset trust and security company, has joined the Hedera Council. BitGo, this is cool. I mean, the council is looking bullish as ever, man. Bullish as ever. Look at that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 slots left, right? 7 slots left for major companies to come in. I feel like this is like we're completing some kind of like Infinity Stone gauntlet here, right? Like a glove with the Infinity Stones. This is really what HBAR looks like. And once we're at 39, I hope that the price has done something. Something. Okay? Please. Something. Now, that's not complaining about the recent price action, because we've had decent price action, right? Like, this has been nice. A higher high made here, right? We hit 10 cents, came flying back down, and then broke 10 cents. I like to see it. We're doing good. Now, let's move on to talking about the HashPack token here, okay? And I'm putting this near the end of the video because they're not paying me. I'm promoting this a lot, right? And I love this. I love HashPack, but I don't want to shill this too hard, right? All I want to say about HashPack is I'm getting in. I wanted to make sure I notified you guys about this great opportunity. And we'll continue to cover it because I'm going to be buying in with my own funds. They're not giving me anything for this. I will let you know if they do. I'd love to do a giveaway with them. They are unresponsive. And I don't like when projects don't engage with the biggest members of their community, or just any members of their community. However, the light paper is out. So there's a 20% distribution. So the supply is 1 billion. Max supply of 1 billion. Now, these will be minted directly before the HashPack collection launches. 200 million pack will enter circulation. So it's going to start with a circulating supply of 20%. So 200 million. Now, here's the breakdown of the initial supply that is being put out. Okay, so this is the number of tokens. So 2% of the max supply will be used to seed the initial liquidity. So here's the best learning opportunity for you guys. This is showing you how tokenomics work. So core development, they're saving 8 million tokens, 6 mil for operations, 6 mil for marketing, 160 million for the community. I love that, okay? 80% of the initial supply that's being put out is in the community's hands. I love that. That's completely fair. Awesome. Now, here is the long term, okay? This is once the circulating supply hits 100%. So all the pack tokens are in circulation. You can see that 51% of the max supply is in the community, which is great. That's pretty high, right? 2% save for liquidity is still low, but that might be a good thing. That might be a good thing. Operations, 10%. These are kind of the weird bags, right? These are the ones you got to look at. So they're getting 47% kind of stays in the HashPack team's hands because you got operations, you got core development, you've got marketing. Those are controlled by HashPack, right? Here's the vesting schedule. So, we got to wait like 3 years until like most of these tokens are out. But yeah, we get the initial 200 million. And then after a year, we'll be up to 400 million. So it's 200 million every year until that final 200 million. So it looks good. Looks good. These HashPack collectibles are not out yet. Not out yet. Get in the Discord and you will know when these are out, right? We'll be talking about it in there. But the prices are out. It's like $150, $300, $500. These might sell out. Do you think these will sell out? I don't know. I hope they do. Moving forward, let's talk about XRP, okay? XRP. Look at this indecisive candle, right? Like, this is so manipulated right here, in my opinion. It drops exactly to 53 cents, right? Which has been such an interesting level for a lot of time. A lot of time right there. I actually have a line at that level, and the wick we got wicked directly to it. So we just cannot keep the bullishness here. I also have a line at 64 cents because there was a lot of resistance at 64 cents as well. Now, here's the bad thing about XRP. There's a lot of people who purchased XRP way up here, okay, or way up here at 65, 70, 80, 90 cents. And with the recent FUD that XRP has had, there's a lot of people who want to just get out, break even, which is not going to be good for the pressure, okay, for the selling pressure as we go up. So XRP is suppressed in that way. Now, $18 million outflow from Upbit. So Upbit is a major Korean exchange. Like, lots of Korean people use that exchange. 18 million XRP, so $10 million was transferred out from an unknown wallet. Now, this means absolutely nothing. We can only speculate that this person wanted to get their XRP off the exchange to hold it in some other wallet, right? Just saw that. That was kind of interesting there. Oh, sorry, we forgot one thing about HBAR here, and then we'll get into our final piece about XRP and some passive income opportunities here. Now, MEXC has listed Dovu. Now, Dovu has some new life that has been breathed into them, okay? Dovu is a project that I've been talking about for like 2 years now. And Dovu seems to have some new life. They seem to be trying a little bit harder here. Their Twitter is getting some awesome engagement. People care right now. I actually haven't checked the Dovu token, but they did just get an MEXC listing. Now, where the heck is the Dovu token? Are they working on new listings? Hold on. Yeah, Dovu. Where is it? CoinGecko. I guess it's on CoinGecko? Dovu is down. Wow. Okay. 1 month looks good. Look at that. 1 month has been good. 3 months has been amazing. 1 year, amazing. Max, amazing. However, they tried to... I'm confused here. Oh, okay. They migrated or something. This is weird because their chart history only goes back so far to kind of cover up the terrible price action that they had. Interesting. Now, Dovu got listed on MEXC. I wanted to talk and warn you guys about MEXC. We were sponsored by MEXC. Okay, so they were paying us money so that we could get them sign-ups and get people to trade on their platform, right? We terminated all of that months ago when we heard that MEXC was stealing users' funds, allegedly. Okay, and the reason I say allegedly is because the only proof we've had of this is people's interactions with their support. Okay, so people have noticed that when you make abnormal profit on MEXC, so when you do well and make like a crazy amount of profit, they actually take it back. They try to steal some of your profit and freeze your profit. which is horrendous, right? And the moment I said that, or moment I saw this, I terminated our deal with them. They can't even spell correctly. They said crawback instead of clawback. They have these automated stupid responses right here. Stupid automated responses. And there's tons and tons of evidence of this. So stay away from MEXC. So we are sponsored by Fairdesk. We work with Blowfin as well. We work with other exchanges as well. But the minute I see them do anything like that, if they ever did anything like that, I'm canceling, and they are trash from now on. So MEXC is garbage from now on. But if you're looking for exchange to use, I personally trade on Fairdesk, Blowfin, and CoinW. Okay, because those are the most lenient. They're great. Look at Patience.io is right on their website there, which is sick. Did they even tag the right one? Oh yeah, they put the website. Okay. Yeah, so Fairdesk is dope. Sign up with the link in the description. That's where I am trading right now. I'm in trades right now. Ripple is 10% off in Link2. Not a fan of Link2 as a company. We had a deal with them. Things went sour, very sour. Not going to speak on that. Yeah, I'm not a fan anymore. You know, they did something that you don't have to worry about it. It's not anything to worry about. However, they're just a little bit greasy, like this guy said. They're a little bit greasy. However, still a dope place to get into Ripple. Now, two little things here. So when you get into the Gold Squad Discord, right, you can instantly make passive income. Instantly. And if you just go and buy Casper token and you stake it into our validator node, which doesn't mean give it to us. It means you're staking with our node and you're helping confirm transactions on the blockchain. And as a reward for you helping confirm transactions on the blockchain, you earn tokens daily. Okay, same thing with Corium. We run a Casper validator node and a Corium validator node for our community. And this is one of the purest forms of passive income of all time, because you just buy the token, stake it, and you're earning right away. And the best part about that is that if the token price goes up, your staked earnings can be worth more. However, the token can also go down. Okay, so you risk the downward momentum and upward. That is all we've got for today's video. Drop a like and comment. Very exciting time in the market. Make sure you're tapped in on every platform, bro. Get on Twitter, turn my notifications on. That's where you're going to get the live updates. Like the most important stuff, because I can't just turn on a YouTube video and record one while I'm at the grocery store. But I can tweet. So live updates. But join the Gold Squad Discord. Drop a like and comment. Hopefully get some live streams out for you guys soon. I love every single one of you. And goodbye.